So we've got a new addition to the 7 Seconds family, which we've been working on, believe it or not, for 18 months now to get it absolutely perfect. We know that the 7 Seconds Anti-Frizz is going to be an absolute hit, basically because of everything it does and what it's got in it. The ingredients, the way it performs, and the way the hair looks. So, Gary, I know you've been working with this backstage at some of the fashion weeks, and what's some of the results that we're getting?
Phenomenal, Dale, to be honest. You know, as you said, 18 months working on it. We've used it on all hair types, and that really was the key for me, working on what I consider difficult hair types to create anti-frizz and shine, where it's performed really, really above what I expected.
And we're talking about anti-frizz now as opposed to straightening or you know, getting it smooth. I mean, we'll smooth, but it takes away that frizz that you can get completely.
Correct. We've styled it in very many different ways, and you'll see it on the PK videos where it's not just about straight hair, it's about putting volume in hair as well and doing it wavy and even curly. And that anti-frizz side of it, exceptional.
Brilliant. I think the best way that you can use this is shampoo and condition with any of the Unite shampoos or conditioners. Obviously we have the 7 Seconds range as well. Use your 7 Seconds detangler because that is completely weightless and that's the base for everything that we use afterwards. And then work with the anti-frizz. Again, even coverage the way it goes on. How long's that going to last? I would say about 72 hours, Gary.
Yeah, that's what we've found when we've tested it, because we've got a great climate for that here with the marine layer out here in California. It's up to 72 hours of protection.
We're excited because we know that, you know, any product that we bring out from now on has to have more than one benefit, more than one use. So what we've got in this is obviously UV protection, but we've got the thermal protection from the heat, but that anti-frizz that's going to lock in any moisture so you won't get any moisture attacking the hair to create the cuticle to lift out and get that frizz. Sil Soft is one of the main ingredients in here, which is a polymer, which will literally smooth the cuticle and lock that cuticle down.
Yeah, super easy to use. I think that's a really key one. You know, it's weightless. The distribution from the nozzle of the product onto the hair, I love that. It's like a really lovely fine mist. So you're not having to worry about oversaturating the hair with product. You can use a lot of it, you can use a small amount, but what I like is the distribution of product, ease of use, really, really simple.
Even coverage with this, and I think you might be able to see it. See if the camera can catch it up.
Oh, look.
That's beautiful. Look at that beautiful spray. I mean, that has got so much even distribution. It's not coming out in one jet. It's not just like that. It's a whole, it captures all of the hair all the way through. So that is fantastic. That was one of the things we worked on as well. The distribution of the product, how the product is actually worked into the hair, making it easier for you, a hairdresser, and really easy for a consumer or one of our clients to work with too.
And what I like about it, it fits into the range beautifully. As you said, it's got the thermal, UV protection. The elasticity of the hair is not compromised, it enhances it, and it strengthens the hair as well, which is all the benefits of 7 Seconds. And you've got a natural antioxidant in there called tocopherol. That prevents environmental damage, and as I say, it's an antioxidant ingredient. So,
which actually comes from vitamin E.
Yeah.
We can't wait for you to get this into your hands. You'll have it in January, and we're excited for your feedback, but we know you're going to absolutely love it because it's another perfect product from the 7 Seconds line at Unite.